Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest states of India, called the Switzerland of the East. Here, we have a land of folklore passed down through generations, with the music as an integral part of our life. The exquisitely picturesque landscapes, the vibrant, colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora make my land unimaginably beautiful. The state capital is Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with a height of about 3,840 meters, and its range forms a natural barrier between Nagaland and Burma. Questions and answers. In comprehension, you will get first the passage, then all the questions, and after completing all the questions, you have to write the answer for the questions. But for your convenience, I give you first the question, then answer, then the next question, answer. So like that I will be giving for you for your convenience. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1. What is the sobriquet of Nagaland? The sobriquet of Nagaland is Switzerland of the East. Sobriquet means nickname or the other name of Nagaland. The sobriquet of Nagaland is Switzerland of the East. Question 2. What is an integral part of the life of the people of Nagaland? Answer. Music is an integral part of the life of the people of Nagaland. So only one word, okay? This one word you have to write, and the remaining part is there in the question. Okay? Music is an integral part of the life of the people of Nagaland. Question number 3. Name the capital of Nagaland. Here again one word. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. You have to write only one word here. Remember, Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Question number 4. What is the highest peak in Nagaland called? What is the highest peak in Nagaland called? Answer. The highest peak in Nagaland is called Saramati. Again, you see you have to write only one word. So learn perfectly, find it from the passage. The highest peak in Nagaland is called Saramati. Question number 5. What is the height of Mount Saramati? Answer. The height of Mount Saramati is 3,840 meters. Question number 6. Pick out two proper nouns from the passage. Answer. Kohima, Saramati, Burma. You can write any two. There are more proper nouns in the passage like Nagaland, Switzerland. There are many, but you have to write any two. I have given you 3 examples. Pick out two proper nouns from the passage. You can write any two. Kohima, Saramati, Burma, any two you can write. You know proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Now the 7th question. Pick out two adjectives from the passage. Answer. Beautiful, colorful. Beautiful and colorful, these two are examples of adjectives. Question number 8. Frame a meaningful sentence of your own with music. Use the word music. Use the word music and you have to make a sentence of your own. I am giving an example for you. You can make your own sentence with that. Answer. I love to listen to old music. I love to listen to old music. I love to listen to old music. Okay, I love to listen to old music, and underline the word music. This word is given for making sentence. To note that, you underline it. Question number 9. What do make Nagaland beautiful? Answer. This is the last question, and most of the time the last question carries 2 marks or 3 marks. What do make Nagaland beautiful? Answer. The exquisitely picturesque landscape, vibrant, colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora make Nagaland beautiful. So this answer, the exquisitely picturesque landscape, so very beautiful landscape, vibrant, colorful sunrise and sunset. You can put a comma here. Lush and verdant flora make Nagaland beautiful. So this same line you can see in the passage. No need to by heart anything. Just read the passage once again and locate it exactly and copy that to your book. You can score full mark if you write exactly what is given in the passage. Okay, so all the questions you copy to your book and also copy all the answers. And I give a small passage for you, the short passage. You can copy to your book and then write all the questions and answers.